Welcome to The Explainer. Let's see how modern businesses are finally ditching paper for good.
Still relying on old-school paper registers? Honestly, they're a huge hidden drain on your efficiency.
Paper systems just create pure chaos. Going digital brings you security, accountability, and total clarity.
So if you constantly struggle with visibility, compliance, or audit readiness, you definitely aren't alone.
Enter SFDP. It's a premium, high ROI solution built specifically to crush those exact daily hurdles.
Their core philosophy? You don't just need basic software, you need a true strategic partner.
That means getting incredibly practical implementation, crystal clear operations, and rock-solid systems you can trust. And this proven expertise scales beautifully across factories, warehouses, schools, and various commercial spaces.
The idea is simple. Early investments in structured systems give you way better control and decision-making.
It all starts by deeply analyzing your unique needs to build a completely custom operational blueprint.
Just authorize a quick team chat to lock in an exclusive walkthrough of the entire platform. The ultimate goal? Building a long-term agreement entirely focused on your success in digital transformation.
So the final question you really have to ask yourself is, are you ready for excellence?
Take action today using these resources. Seriously, what will your very first step be?